So this is Mazic. I wanted to do a full video review of Mazic, which is a AI based video editing software. The reason it got so delayed was there were a couple of hiccups at first because when I was first testing the product, I found some major bugs. Then I reported back to the developer and it got fixed. Then I re-recorded another video. In that video also what happened was I forgot to record my sound. So again, waited another 2 to 3 days. Another 2 to 3 days. Then I wanted to create a last video, which is right now. This is the video. So I have been testing the tool. There were bugs initially, then it got fixed. I wanted to create a video which you are watching this fully through Mazic. So I'm not going to be using my other video editing software like Camtasia or Descript. Whatever the voice you are listening, whatever the video, whatever the effects you are seeing, everything is through Mazic. So when I'm going to do a review of this software, it will be much more easier for you to see how actually a recorded video through Mazic will look like, and I will feel to see all kind of effects. So that is what I'm going to do it here. So this video will be edited through that, and you can see it is already started recording this particular video. But in order to showcase what are the things available within this, I'll choose one of the existing one and I'll showcase it to you. Basically, everything you see in Mazic is just an extension or app. You install it, then you start recording the screen with your web camera. In this case, what I'm doing is I'm using Iranium webcam. So I have selected that particular webcam. For the audio, I'm not doing anything different, just a basic Logitech. It is connected. So at the same time, it is recording my screen, my face, and also my voice. So that is the process behind it. So once you record any video through the extension, which is really easy, just click on it, click start recording. You can record multiple clips. So you can end a clip, you can start a clip, you can end a clip, start a clip. So after everything, you just have sort of like a presentation sort of feel. Then you can start and go and do all the edits. So when you come into the studio editing, you will be presented with a screen which hopefully will load in a couple of minutes. So this is some sort of screen which you can expect to see. Within this, if you're already doing video editing, you will be much more familiar with this kind of setup where we have the title, some basic settings, and the left, right sidebar containing all the editing, and the final at the bottom. It is just basic layers to editing this particular video. So if you take a closer look at it, the key difference area or the main USP of this product comes under the slides option where you have all the different video clips you recorded. In this case, I am recording continuously, so it is just keeps on going. Let's say, for example, I'm going to stop this clip at any moment and restart or re-record or record another clip. That all will come into separate scenes. So you almost like working with a PowerPoint presentation. So you have total control over all the clips. You can add transition between each clip. They are providing a bunch of options, and within these options also they provide a different section duration option and also direction, and you can add a new slide anywhere you want. Just click on plus icon will start creating a brand new slide which you can use to upload any stock video within the video or template. Choose one of the content from the template section. You can see they do not still have huge amount of database, but still they are starting and it's a basic one right now. Hopefully we will see more templates. They are creating template for intro, outro, and all those options are available. And also you have the total control over duplicate and delete for all this. So once you're presented with different scenes, so any scenes I select, that particular edit section will be for that particular video. So when if I click here, that is automatically for this. I'm going to apply all this. So these are the options available. I would prefer to see a copy and paste section also. So any effects which I apply for one particular clip, I would love to see it in another clip as well. I can create new slides from here. So apart from that, we have the control over the dimensions of the video. We have wide, square, classic, or specific for social media. We do also have the recording our voice. We have the option to translate into a different language, and also when editing, we have the option to either work with low or high. You can see editing may be laggy because it need to be in high quality. So depending on your need, you can work with any of this. So even though if you select low, when you export it, when you select high, you will get the high quality version of it. After that, if you look into the right side of the section, we have the major controls for our video. One, we have the trim option. Basically, you can see it is automatically transcribing what I have recorded and giving me to this. Yeah, I have several other options. Like this is almost like if you're working with Descript, you would have seen this. Like buffer remover, if it found silence remover, if it find any silences in the video, it can remove it. For filler word remover option is there, but this is particularly only available if you are in a higher plan, or in this case it worked for me. So depending on your need, you can select all these things. Initially when I selected this, it showed me higher plan. That's why I'm not sure why this worked this time. Once you select this, you have the option to either select any clip, you can trim it, you can adjust it, you can delete it. All those things can be done. And this is where here it can see it is highlighting that it automatically remove these kind of words. You can see all the things. So this is how you can trim the video. Splitting also just works like that. You click on any video section, just click on split, it will be split. You can rearrange it if you want. You can also split this section into new videos. So those options are available within the trimming part of the video. So I can, let's say for example, I don't want this section, so I can trim that. Apart from that, we have the slide option also. Slide is where for this particular clip which we have selected, what kind of media settings we have. Either I can crop the recording itself. So this is a screen recording for that particular clip. I can crop out any of this option. You can also see different sizes of it. For example, let's say I don't want the header section. I can just do that and confirm that header section is gone. So that we can do. We also have the theme option to control from the background. There are so many different ways to do that. Solid colors, they are gradient. So you click on it, apply it. You can upload your own images, or there's some kind of designs which we are there done. That is also selectable. Apart from that, we have the corner radius option. What kind of corner do we want for all the videos which we recorded? Do we want a border or not? That option is available. Camera border, do we want or not? Within camera border, what kind of style we prefer to have? All these options are available within theme and slider. Voiceover is where once you uh, record a video, let's say for example you want to use AI for voiceover, you can easily come here and click on generate voiceover, and it is automatically will, what it will do is it will, based on if you are recording your own voice, you have the option to use that voice, or based on that voice, based on that recording, you have the option to automatically generate a AI voiceover which will look much more professional. If you are unable to talk, then it will automatically try to sync that AI voiceover with the video itself. It's not going to be 100% accurate all the time, but remember there is an option like that. So you can see. So I'm not sure whether you will be able to hear the uh, my computer's sound in this section, but it automatically recorded and created a AI voiceover, which is really cool. So apart from that, we do have camera controls. In this section, I don't have the camera recording. Let's see any video which I have as a camera. Okay, in this clip there is a camera, so it is able to giving me that option. So within camera, we have the enable camera, mirroring the camera, camera only mode is available. For camera only mode, we have different option to show it. This is rotated. This is because I am using Iranium webcam application that I'm recording with my mobile phone. So I have rotated the mobile phone. Initially, I didn't know how to place the mobile cam. So this is not a app issue. This is the way I recorded it. Usually within Camtasia, I can rotate it, but here there is no option for me to rotate it. So I'm not sure if I recorded it wrong direction, how can I adjust it? I'm not sure. So these are the options you have with the camera control. All these options are here. This looks here also you can control this. Let's say for example, different clip, you can control it in different space. And when you click on zoom, this is one of the cool feature or one of the most interesting feature within this particular app, because when we are recording tutorial demo videos or any educational video, we know that we want to make zoom happening everywhere. We want to make clear zoom, automatic zoom, all those options. So yes, that is what is happening. For example, when I click here, you can see it says auto zoom, which means automatically it knows I'm doing some cursor movement and it will automatically zoom. For example, let me play. You can see the video got a smaller size. All these are automatic. I'm not doing anything. So when I play, it zoomed and the video got small. Then again, when I play back, that is what zoom means. So you can see I can add more zooms also. For example, let me go into a different point of the video, and let's say in this point I want to zoom. So here I can just click and add zoom, and I have the option for manual zoom. I can just make sure I want to emphasize this point. I want the zoom percentage to be this amount, and I can do that if I want. For example, it did. Otherwise, if I want to say, let's say I don't want any manual zoom, I want automatic zoom. In this case, it's happening here is it's going to be automatically zooming that cursor point automatically. So when I click on play, according to my cursor, it is going to go. For me, zoom is one of the most interesting feature in this particular app itself. So cursor option, obviously it's only available for Mac, so I'm not able to review or showcase what this particular function will do because I'm using from Windows, I'm using through extension. So hopefully I will hope to see this in within extension also. Sound and music, another important point. Whatever the sound you are hearing is Logitech um, uh, with Blue Yeti. I'm using a simple Logitech application. Apart from that, whatever the voice quality you will see is after I select background noise removal. So for the video which I'm recording now also, I would have selected this particular feature. So this is the kind of voice you can expect from it. You can also have the option to have background music for any of the videos you see. So just click on any of it and just click on apply music, and you change the control of that music and it will be automatically applied for that. Apart from that, we have the option for captions also. This is also pretty good. You can see when I play through it. So this caption is good. We have the option for changing caption style. Currently, I have only one. We expect to see, at least I expect to see a lot of different styles. And that way, it will be much more better. We have the option for positioning different section. That is done. So, any places also I can readjust it. So, captions is the finally element section. Element section is where we have several control of several elements like blurring. If I want to blur some kind of image out of it, some sensitive information, I can do that. I can add shapes if I want. I can make color changing options there, and also text options. So any place, anywhere I want to add a set of text, I set the text, I control the set element, and whatever the elements which I add, it will be keep on adding into this section. So I know that any editing or placement, I can totally control it. So those are the options available here. This layer is already, we have seen that it is going to be helping us to see how we are going to be adding all these elements in different section. And once you do the same stuff for all the different clips, you have the option to preview it totally or preview it individually. This will preview this clip only. If you click on here, this will preview the entire video or entire project in one single. So the intro screen comes into play. Then the second clip is playing. So it will keep on going. In here itself, I can keep on share it or I can publish it. Remove empty slide. So I do have an empty slide. So it's asking me to delete that slide. because there is nothing there. So when I click on publish, it shows published. Uh, when I click on share, I will receive a link. For example, I can copy the link. I can make only the people who I invite with email to access, or anyone with link. I want anyone with links. I also have the option to export this particular video. So I can select high quality. For example, this is a short video, I think. Let me see how fast it is able to export it. This is a very, very short video. When I probably in the comments, I'll let you know the video which I am recording right now. It's almost 16 minutes right now. So I can possibly see, tell you that how much time it took for it to export it. Currently, it's still on processing state, not very fast, to be honest. I would want to see how it is able to work with a big video like which I am recording right now. I'll let you know about that. So it is processing. Let me wait until for this to finish. Instead, until that, so this is how the share screen will look like. You have the option to export it, or through share screen also you have the option. For example, you see it gives the option to download the video, copy the share link, comment, transcript, all these things are shown here. Summary is shown here, chapters are shown here. All these are really good. You also have generate document step by like this. I actually don't know. This is something I think they added recently. Turn video into it. So it's asking me to. So I have shared through it. Okay, I think it is using this particular video and the summary, and whatever the things we ask from it is recording. This is a cool feature which might be helpful. I'll possibly share the video which I am recording also into a sharing screen. This page I'll share it. That way you can also test it out how well this works. So it finished rendering. It took around 30 to 1 minute, which is bit slow for this particular video. Let's see how it will work with my video. So that is how you use this functionality. And when we are using the share section with the account we are logged in as a creator, we will get couple of other options also. One, we have the option for controlling various settings like playback speed. Do we want to allow comment or not? Emoji reaction. Do we want to allow downloads or not? Author visibility. All these options are available here. So that is what Mazic does. It gives you the option to edit the video with AI and everything through web interface or Mac OS. All this Descript Magic are coming as a new player. Descript, which almost most of the people love, even I started using it over Camtasia whenever I can, because it reduces the editing speed or editing process much more faster. It makes it very faster. That is the key selling point for this Mazic is going to be. You see the video which I recording now. This is how the video will look like. So you have the option to control the effects, background, editing. You don't need a super fast PC. Everything is recorded, done through web interface. So this is going to be a new way of recording the video, which will be making everything easier. So do let me know, there is a good deal going around for this Mazic. I will leave the link in the description. If you wish, you can check it out. And do let me know how, what is your feedback so far and anything which I can help you further. Once again, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next video.